Are you still guessing which chakra your clients have out of balance? Well, let's take the guesswork out and let's start using a pendulum. So first, let's just talk about the pendulum, which is basically any crystal or any heavy object at the end of a chain. The way you hold it in your hand is you want to have it short, the distance between the chain and your fingers, and then just put the rest of it in your hand. Now, the way that we use the pendulum typically is we ask it yes/no questions. So if I were to ask it yes, or getting a yes answer, it would be going back and forth. Now, if it were a no, it would be going side to side. Okay, we don't really want maybes because we're looking for answers when we're using a pendulum. I'll go into this in another video, but for today, I want to teach you how you can actually check your client's chakras. So there are a couple of ways that you can determine whether the chakra is blocked or out of balance. So if you've done some healing work and you just want to check your client after the session, you can go ahead and use the pendulum. If you are about to do some healing work and you're questioning which chakra would require the most healing while I'm working on my client, whether this be a Reiki session or any energy healing session, this is a great way to validate your work. All right, so let's go ahead and let me just talk about the pendulum just for a second. When you're using a pendulum, basically what you're doing is you're tapping into your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind already knows everything it needs to know. What happens is the conscious mind doubts it. It gets in the way. So if I were just scanning the body and I'm saying, it's the third eye in balance, it's the heart chakra in balance, and I'm not getting a very clear answer, it's because my conscious mind is interfering with what my subconscious mind already knows. I will use my pendulum to just verify that information that my subconscious mind is bringing to the forefront. Over the heart chakra, over the third chakra. This is a good way to just test them on yourself as well. Over the second chakra, if it's just going back and forth, that chakra needs attention. The chakras themselves are spinning, so you want your pendulum to be spinning just as the chakra is spinning. All right? Now, if they're not in balance, go ahead and do some additional work. I'm Tina Brigitini. I've been teaching practitioners for over 25 years, Brigitini Energy School. If you wish to learn deeper techniques or just learn how to work with the energy of your clients at deeper levels, go ahead and check out the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this useful. Go ahead and pick your pendulum up. You can buy these online. Amazon carries the pendulum, or you can go into a crystal store and just see which pendulum resonates with you. All right? Thanks for joining me here today. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.